Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make a payment to Bread Finance. Now, I know that some of you might be wondering why I'm making a video about this. Well, the reason is that I've gotten a lot of questions from viewers about it recently. And I figured that it would be helpful to create a video that explains the process in detail. So, let's get started. How to make a payment to Bread Finance. There are a few different ways to make a payment to Bread Finance. The most common way is to use your credit card. You can also make a payment by phone, mail, or online. Making a payment by credit card. To make a payment by credit card, you will need to have your Bread Finance account number and your credit card information handy. You can find your account number on your monthly statement or on the Bread Finance website. Once you have your account number and credit card information, you can go to the Bread Finance website and click on the Make a Payment button. You will then be prompted to enter your account number and credit card information. Once you have done that, you can click on the Submit button. Making a payment by phone. To make a payment by phone, you will need to call the Bread Finance customer service number. You can find the customer service number on the Bread Finance website. Once you have called the customer service number, you will need to provide your account number and payment information. You will also need to provide your name, address, and phone number. Making a payment by mail. To make a payment by mail, you will need to send a check or money order to Bread Finance. You can find the mailing address on your monthly statement or on the Bread Finance website. When you send a check or money order, be sure to include your account number and payment information. You should also include your name, address, and phone number. Making a payment online. To make a payment online, you will need to create an account on the Bread Finance website. Once you have created an account, you can log in and make a payment. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for making a payment to Bread Finance. Make sure that you make your payment on time. If you make a late payment, you may be charged a fee. Be sure to include your account number and payment information correctly. If you make an error, your payment may be delayed or rejected. If you have any questions about making a payment to Bread Finance, you can contact their customer service team. Making a payment to Bread Finance is easy. You can do it by credit card, phone, mail, or online. Just be sure to follow the instructions carefully and you will be able to make a successful payment. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.